So you want to know how to install Tailwind CSS? Right click on it. A folder is right here, like this. I will put this list on my info just below. Paste. This is gonna take about 2 minutes. I shall be back. And we are back. This is the screen you will get. Get rid of this one. Click on the folder that we have right here. Double click on it, and you will have this My Tailwind app. Right click on it and open in terminal and code that will open the VS Code just like so. Once it does, you click on new terminal and you get rid of this one. You open the list again, and the next one is 1.5, so this one is optional, but please do it npm start. If you do, this is going to open the website for us to see. You will get something like this. One second. And there we go. So that is obviously the app. Now we need to install Tailwind. How do we do that? You click on this. And again, I'm going to put this list below the video, so you just follow it with me. You copy and paste like so. And this is installed, so please don't do anything here. You click here, a new terminal. Once you do, paste it right here. You will see this being installed. Few stuff are going to be installed right here. I want you to keep an eye on it because we are going to be playing with it. Right, so back to the list. It's very quick, and you go to the third one, like so, and it will create this thing right here. Once it does, you go back to the list, and in the list, you will see this, copy it, and I want you to go into the plugins, enter, and paste it. And I want you to go back, and I want you to copy this, and I want you to go into src. I want you to go at CSS, and I want you to paste it right here. You can paste it anywhere as long as it's not inside anywhere, just it can be anywhere. Then we are going to copy this, going to the Tailwind config and paste it right here. Then we're gonna grab a navbar, and we're gonna grab a navbar from Tailwind. I can spell it. Tailwind CSS. Click on components. When you do, go down, and you have many of them, but let's click on dashboard. It says the code is right here. Make sure that it's React. Copy. You go right here, and src, you click on it, so it opens. You click on a folder, components, like so, and you add one to it. We're gonna create a navbar.js, like so, and enter. And I want you to paste the code that we just copied, and I want you to go to app.js. I want you to delete everything except the div, and I also want you to delete this thing right here as well. Then we are going to import navbar from navbar like so, and we're going to paste it right here, which is like so. Now I want you make sure the N of navbar is capital, otherwise it will not work. Okay, now you're going to back to the website like so. You will get an arrow like this. I want you to go back to the list. I want you to install this thing right here. Copy it, go back here and paste it like so. Once that is done, your website should look something like that. Right, if it isn't now, let's do it again. If you have any problems, just make sure you start it again, because all the changes that we are making sometimes doesn't update automatically, mostly when it comes to CSS. We just played with it, so we are going very quickly as well. Just reset, and you should be back to this dashboard. That's pretty much it. That's one Tailwind CSS. If you want to include more stuff to it, you go back, and for example, we can go to e-commerce, and we can grab this to make it look more fancy. React, yes, we have that. You copy the code, You did, and you go to the components, you do another one, and that was the product.js. Like so, you paste the code right here. You go back and import. Again, product will be from CSS, and you go back to your website, which is right. Yeah. So I forgot to add it to here. Yeah. So that's what